Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So first off, I want to say hey to everyone who's been subscribed to my channel, and welcome to all my new folks. I've gained a lot of subscribers since my last video, and I just want to say thank you so much for choosing my channel to subscribe to. So let's go ahead and get started in this new makeover. So today I am doing the bathroom remodel downstairs. If you've been on my channel since the very beginning, you know that I did post this video a while back, but I decided, because I did do some new things in here, to just re-edit it and repost it. So these floors are already damaged. The reason they did get damaged, these repellent stick floors, is because there were already 2 floors underneath it, so it was not even. So I went ahead and ripped that off. But now I'm installing this peel and stick flooring and using T-spacers to create a space, and then I'll go in and grout with some gray pre-mixed grout that I picked up from Lowe's, and I'm just using a mallet to hammer it down or just give it a better stick so it won't move. But yes, I installed this in the bathroom, and it basically just extended out from my kitchen and my laundry room area, and I have the same floors in there, so I just decided to use it for the bathroom also. But do you see how easy these floors are to install? I literally just lay them down, beat it a little bit, and move on to the next tile or square. So they're not hard to install, but I think the hardest part are making those cuts. I noticed in my bathroom that the walls are not straight, and that's probably the same for other houses. So being able to measure that and make the cut based on that is what the difficult part is. So now I'm just going ahead and I took off the doors from my cabinet, and I'm sanding them down because I'm going to stain it, y'all. Y'all know I like a good stain. So I sanded it down, and then I'm going to come in and wipe it off with some a wet rag. And then I'll go in with my stain. You can either use the stain with a brush or a rag or like an old piece of material to wipe on the stain. I usually, on here, this video, I'm using a rag, but actually I like the paintbrush method. I use that on my mantle in the paneling makeover video, and you can go there and watch that. But this also turned out good too if you don't have a paintbrush. And to save on money, I went ahead and just spray painted my handles and all those oh gosh, what are they called? They're not fixtures. Y'all know what I'm talking about. They're right there. So I went ahead and just spray painted those like a little bronze color and let them dry, and they look brand new. Saved me so much money. Now I'm just going ahead and staining the cabinet using the same rag and just wiping it on. The reason that I said I like the paintbrush is I feel like more came on and it was like more even consistency. So if you're looking for that evenness, you can use a brush. But me just using this rag, it kind of like wiped it off a little bit, and different parts were like lighter and darker. But I did like how it turned out, and you'll see that in the end. But yeah, just go ahead and rub that in there, and then if you feel like, oh, this is too dark, get a dry rag and wipe it off to get a little color, a lighter color than what went on. So you could just see like how I'm working with it to get the color, my desired color that I like. Now it's painting time. Y'all see how I tried to do those paint aesthetics for y'all? That pour, did you see it? Did you catch it? I don't know, but let's go ahead and go. So now I'm using some shelves that I bought from Amazon, and I just wanted a different type of shelf. I know how to build shelves, and I was looking for a certain type of look, and I found it on there. So here is the final reveal of this bathroom remodel, and I love it. This is our guest bathroom, so that's why I went with more of the warmer tones, and I just think it's so nice and welcoming. But yes, guys, let me know what you liked about this remodel. Leave it down in the comment section below, and be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you're new here, introduce yourself. I want to get to know you all and just be involved with my community. And I'm really so thankful for all the support. So again, thanks, and I'll see you guys next video.